Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to demo trade on Tradingview. The purpose of using a demo trade on Tradingview is to let us practice trading and test strategies without risking our money. It's a safe way to simulate real market trading. This helps us practice placing buy and sell orders, using stop loss and take profit, and understanding different order types. Now, let's move to the tutorial. We will explain everything in simple steps, so even if you are new, you can follow along easily. Let's get started. First, we open our browser and go to tradingview.com. Once we are on the page, we log into our account. We go to Products. Now, we use supercharts as an example for a demo trade. Click the supercharts, and we will be redirected to the market. Superchart is simply the core interactive charting interface where you do virtually all your analysis and trading work on the platform. Think of it as the main workspace that displays price movement, tools, indicators, and trading features. This is where we start. This will show us the graph of profit gains. To trade, we use the paper trading feature. Paper trading is also called a demo account. We use a demo account so we can learn how to trade. Now click this, then click paper trading. We click trade. Now we have to choose the stocks that we want to trade. Just double click this one, and once it pops up, we will see the sell and buy options. If we want to buy or sell, we can enter the number of shares, the amount, set the profit price, and the stop loss price. We can also add some levels. We can also add a limit to our trade, like setting share limits. After that, we go back to the market. After filling out all the info, we can check our order info here. Once we are done, click Buy, and that's how we demo a session on Tradingview. We hope this tutorial helps you understand the basics of setting up trades, managing them, and using charting tools effectively. Remember, this is just a demo. Practice is important in trading. Keep experimenting, refine your strategy, and always trade responsibly.